Srimati Rajni Bala, daughter of late Shri Krishna Dutt. Mother's name Kaushalya Devi. Two brothers and three sisters. Martyrs youngest one, Qamar. Daughter's name Sana Dogra. Father-in-law Ramlal Atari. Mother-in-law Satya Devi. Brother-in-law Bharat Bhushan Vijay Atari. Sister-in-law Shukla Devi Rachna Devi. Aro. Date of birth 6/11/1981, 40 years old. Date of first appointment 18/6/2009. Qualification MPhil B.Ed. Family, husband, also a teacher in same district and a teenage daughter. It is the cause, not the death, that makes a martyr. Our martyrs laid their lives for a cause, and the blood of those brave hearts who laid their lives for the nation during serving at different quarters should become a guiding light for all of us to navigate through dark times. As these martyrs laid their lives for the service of country, so must each one of us remain thankful to them in every walk of life. Srimati Rajni Bala, a government teacher while performing her duties in a high school in District Kollam, was martyred on 31st of May 2022. The selfless service of the teacher will be remembered forever. Srimati Rajni Bala was an epitome of love and affection and was evident after her assassination. The school kids on the road in her institution fainted. She never feared to reach out to the school children during her tenure and even not stop herself in the fatal day. She braved all the situations for her noble cause. It became imperative for all of us to take forward her mission and to provide every possible support to the bereaved family in this hour of extreme grief. Her memory shall remain evergreen. Being the daughter of our soil, we owe her a lot. The capacity of self-sacrifice among human beings is nowhere more evident than in people who brave themselves in all situations to uphold the dignity of nation and pride of the country. Srimati Rajni Bala died, but never let her nation down. This unparalleled courage and sacrifice will keep motivating the coming generations. We can never forget her supreme sacrifice and will always remain indebted to her. Please make 2 minutes silence in her honor.